Great, but it could be a little louder. Is everybody having fun today? Much better. Coming up on your right hand side, you'll soon see Bob and Gertrude, our proud new mama, Papa Turtles. Aren't they cute?
Yeah. Hey, it's real. The Lego's real.
Many people ask us how to build Legoland in California. Well, we did so with the help of our friends over ahead. On the left hand side is Bronte, built that 432,000 Lego bricks. And on the right hand side, you meet Lazy P, built that 132,000 Lego bricks.
Turn off the water! I said, turn off the water! Hello down there!
Hello up there.
Have a nice day!
You too. Next we approach the coast of Africa where we meet Elsie, our African elephant. Elsie has been at 283,000 Lego bricks. Everybody wave to Elsie. Oh no, look up ahead. Looks like our friends are in trouble.
I don't know how much longer I can hang on. Whoa, down below! Help!
I've got it. Just hang on.
Whoa! Ah!
Oops, I guess he let go too soon.
Seahorse.
Yeah. He's Sydney Opera House.
We begin our tour with the most visited cities in the world, Sydney, Australia. The Sydney Opera House took 14 years to build, 10 to 300 feet tall, has more than 1,000 rooms. While our version doesn't have that many, it does have 160,000 Lego bricks.
Walking on,
As we go under the land, see a bridge, look to the left-hand side, you see a monument to labor of love from a kingdom's queen, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was constructed in the 17th century, took over 20,000 people, 22 years to build. Well, our version didn't take nearly that long. It does have 143,000 Lego bricks.
What's with the bums? Oh, there's another one.
As you're leaving new behind, we approach Paris, France. In 1889, you saw Eiffel designs the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower seems 1,000 feet tall and weighs over 1,000 tons. While our version doesn't weigh nearly that much, it does have 128,000 Lego bricks.
Look at that.
We now leave our world tour behind, head back to the United States of America, more specifically the Black Hills of South Dakota. Mount Rushmore is home to the presidents Washington, Lincoln, Roosevelt, and Jefferson.
Yeah.
But when they're combined, they have a total of 83,000 Lego bricks. Straight ahead is the Statue of Liberty. She was given to the United States by France in 1886 to celebrate 100 years of American independence. She welcomes us in New York City. She's built at 204,000 Lego bricks. In New York City, we can find many things, such as the Chrysler Building, Empire State Building, Grand Central Station, and the Freedom Tower.
Oh, helicopter.
This is so that we have.
Oh, look at that. That looks fun. Hey.
I don't know.
Also, to my friend, to check out a very active during the harbor area. You never know what might be happening at the shoreline. Whoa, wait a minute. Looks like there's a midnight rescue underway. Oh, good. It seems to be coming around. I guess he just needed a little bit of plastic surgery.
Plastic surgery.
Unfortunately, this brings us to the end of our tour on the Coast Cruise. What better way to end it than our own resident Optus band? The Optus band is carried 288,000 megabits. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure to be guided for your safety. Please remain seated.